Alright guys, so today I'm gonna be telling you guys how to get rid of a cold start misfire on your 5.0. My 5.0 is a Gen 2, so hopefully you guys relate, or maybe it might be similar, but here's how I fixed it. So first I cleaned the throttle body, which is connected to the air filter, and when you remove that, you gotta clean all the black stuff, all the carbon buildup. And after that, you're gonna notice some difference, which is when you turn the car on the cold start, the revving is not there no more as much as of when you first had it, and that should be able to help you drive a little bit more. Spark plugs. Make sure you guys go get the OEM ones. This is the ones spark plugs I use, which is the OEM ones. The next thing I changed was the crankshaft sensor. Make sure it's OEM because don't try to install other part that is not needed. To make sure that doesn't happen, you gotta go to get it diagnostic. So make sure you check in with mechanics or so.